If you've been involved in an accident or some sort of personal injury here in Viroqua or anywhere in Vernon County, here are three things you need to know. I'm Craig Steger. I'm a personal injury attorney with over 20 years of experience handling serious injury and complex wrongful death cases throughout western Wisconsin. Number one, you don't have to give a recorded statement to the other insurance company's adjuster. They'll call, they'll ask for a statement, they'll ask for your side of the story, but you have to be very careful with that call. Anything you tell them can and will be used against you later on. So be careful about talking about your condition because you may not yet know how bad your injuries are, how long it's going to take to recover, what kind of additional medical treatment, if any, you might need, how long it's going to be before you can get back to work. So be careful when talking to the insurance company, and if at all possible, just talk to an attorney first. Number two, if you can do it safely, try to gather photographs and video from the scene, whether it's an intersection where a car accident happened, or maybe a farm where a farm accident happened, or trip and fall, slip and fall. Try to get video and photographs of the entire scene from different angles, close up, far away. Try to get things such as the lighting, the weather conditions, the surface conditions, any signs, identifying information. If there's vehicles involved, you want to try to get video and photographic evidence of the vehicles as soon as possible after the crash. And if you can't do that, as soon as possible after they've been moved. You want to try to capture any damage to either of the vehicles, get things like license plates, and if there's any names or other signage on the sides of the vehicles or equipment, try to capture that as well. If you know there was any witnesses, get witness statements, at least get their phone numbers and names, if at all possible, so that you can contact them later. It's common in today's age with so many cameras around that there may have been some sort of surveillance footage or doorbell camera that may have captured your injury or the accident. Those need to be captured right away. If not, they often get written over or deleted shortly after. And so you want to try to preserve that evidence if at all possible. Having video evidence showing exactly what happened can make a huge difference in whether the insurance company is going to take your claim seriously. And number three, and probably most important, get yourself checked out. Get to the doctor, go to urgent care or emergency room if you have to, but go and at least find out if you're okay. And if they order any follow-up care, follow-up appointments with, let's say, your primary care physician, or maybe ask you to do therapy or go have some imaging, do that and follow through with that. Even if you start to feel better, continue with that treatment until you're done. Make sure you let your doctors and your healthcare providers know exactly how you're feeling, what parts of your body are hurting, what kinds of activities cause it to be worse. Make sure that you tell them so that it makes it into the medical records, and that those medical records become really the foundation of any potential personal injury case later on. So I hope those three things were helpful. If you get to a point where you want to talk to an attorney, just call or text the number on the screen. It's a totally free consultation, and you could talk to multiple attorneys before you make a decision. In the meantime, watch the next video on the screen or pinned below. In this video, I walk you through the entire process of a Wisconsin personal injury case from start to finish.